Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this presentation on the role and impact of AI in the email journey. In today's fast-paced digital world, customer expectations are higher than ever. They want quick, accurate, and personalized responses, and that's where artificial intelligence transforms the game. From understanding customer intent the moment an email arrives, to auto-generating acknowledgements, smart routing, agent assistance, and even predictive insights, AI is reshaping how contact centers handle every single message. The result? Faster resolutions, reduced workload for agents, better accuracy, and a consistent customer experience, all while helping businesses scale effortlessly. Let's explore how AI powers each stage of the email journey and why it's becoming a critical driver of customer satisfaction and operational excellence. Let's start with email categorization and intent detection, the foundation of AI-powered email management. Here, natural language processing, or NLP, comes into play. It carefully analyzes the subject lines and body text of every incoming email to understand its true intent. Whether the message is about billing, a technical issue, or a delivery query, AI instantly recognizes the context. For example, when a customer writes, "Where's my refund?" the system immediately classifies it as a billing issue and routes it directly to the finance team without any human intervention. The impact? No manual sorting. No delays. Every email reaches the right team instantly, reducing response time, eliminating misrouting errors, and ensuring customers get faster, more accurate support. Next, let's look at automatic acknowledgement replies, an AI-powered feature designed to improve customer confidence from the very first interaction. The moment an email arrives, AI automatically generates a polite, personalized confirmation message. There's no need to wait for a human agent to step in. For example, the customer instantly receives a message saying, "Thanks for reaching out. Your case number 12345 is being reviewed." This simple but powerful step significantly improves first response time, or FRT, by letting customers know that their email has been received, logged, and is already in the queue for processing. The impact? Faster initial engagement, reduced anxiety for customers, and a smoother start to the entire support journey. Now, let's explore smart email routing, a leap beyond basic keyword-based sorting. With AI-powered routing, emails are analyzed not just for keywords, but also for sentiment, urgency, and customer profile. The system can detect if a customer sounds frustrated, identify VIP accounts, or spot time-sensitive issues. For example, when a complaint email carries negative sentiment, AI automatically flags it for escalation and routes it directly to senior agents for priority handling. The result? Angry or dissatisfied customers get faster resolutions, VIP accounts receive white glove service, and support teams can focus on critical issues first, all while keeping response times low and customer satisfaction high. Next, let's focus on Agent Assist and Draft Suggestions, a powerful way AI supports agents behind the scenes. Using historical case data, templates, and best practices, AI instantly suggests draft responses, recommended templates, and even next best actions for every email. For example, when a customer asks about a refund, AI might suggest, "We've processed your refund. It should reflect in 5 to 7 business days." The agent simply reviews the draft, makes quick edits if needed, and hits send. The impact is twofold: handling time drops dramatically, and response quality stays consistent across tone, language, and accuracy, ensuring every reply aligns with your brand's standards. Now, let's look at automated case resolution using email bots, a major step in scaling customer support efficiently. For simple, repetitive queries like password resets, order status updates, or FAQs, AI-powered bots handle the entire process end-to-end. For example, when a customer asks, "What's my delivery status?" the AI bot automatically pulls real-time information from backend systems and sends a personalized reply instantly, no agent needed. The result? A reduced email backlog, faster resolutions for common issues, and human agents freed up to focus on complex, high-value cases that require empathy, judgment, or problem-solving skills. Next, let's talk about after-email work automation, often called AW automation, a huge time saver for support teams. Once an email response is sent, AI steps in to handle all the follow-up documentation automatically. It updates the CRM records, closes the ticket, tags the issue, and even logs any future follow-up actions, all without the agent lifting a finger. For example, after resolving a refund request, AI automatically updates Anitha's account with the note, "Refund processed on 20th August." The impact? Agents are freed from repetitive admin tasks, giving them more time to focus on customer interactions rather than paperwork, while ensuring accurate, consistent record-keeping every time. Now let's explore quality monitoring, where AI becomes the virtual quality analyst for your contact center. AI automatically reviews every agent reply for tone, grammar, compliance, and overall accuracy, ensuring that each response aligns with company standards and customer expectations. For example, if a message lacks empathy phrases like, "We apologize for the inconvenience caused," AI flags it for improvement before it reaches the customer. The impact? A significant reduction in manual QA workload, faster quality checks, and consistent brand voice across all customer communications, no matter how large your email volume grows. Finally, let's look at analytics and predictive insights, the strategic advantage AI brings to email management. AI continuously tracks trends across all incoming emails, spotting patterns like a sudden surge in delivery complaints or recurring technical issues. It also predicts future email volumes and even recommends staffing levels based on projected demand. For example, the system might alert managers, "Delivery-related email volume has increased by 30% this week, consider adding 3 more agents to the queue." The impact? Proactive workforce planning, early detection of product or service issues, and data-driven decisions that improve efficiency, customer satisfaction, and operational agility. Let's explore the benefits of an AI-powered email journey compared to traditional handling. Speed. With AI, autorouting ensures every email reaches the right queue instantly, and AI-drafted replies cut response time dramatically. Accuracy. Contextual suggestions reduce human errors, ensuring that every message is clear, compliant, and consistent. Scalability. Unlike traditional methods that require more staff as volume grows, AI can handle thousands of emails seamlessly without adding proportional headcount. Customer experience. The result is faster, personalized, and consistent responses that boost satisfaction and build long-term loyalty. In short, AI transforms email support from a slow, manual process into a fast, scalable, and customer-focused journey. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.